Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again, or should I say, welcome to another shit that has happened with me in my life because let me just accept life is shitty, at least for me. So I'm not going to bore you with the intro, let's get into it. Also, last video में किसी ने कहा था, girl, just keep that damn mic in one place. I'm sorry, I'm gonna try that in this video. So this story starts again. अगर आपने last story time देखा होगा, in that story time I mentioned that after I had gotten out of that toxic relationship, it was all because of the fact that I had found a huge group of friends. And I had a lot of fun with my friends after I broke up with that toxic guy, and this was in 11th standard. पढ़ाई के अलावा सारी बकचोदियाँ करी मैंने. So in that group, there was this one guy who became my best friend, and of course, we started dating each other. So, what happened was that guy, like, we were friends for like good 6 7 months, and that guy was in a relationship, and we just became friends, and I was also in a relationship, but according to him, and I accept that at this moment, he was in a very toxic relationship, and so was I. So, but he was in a relationship for quite a long period of time after I had broken up. So he was in like that relationship, and like after some time he breaks up with that girl. And that's the time when we, like, in that phase, when he like just moved on, I think we became even more close of friends. We even became more close with the other group of friends as well, because उस ग्रुप में सबका यही काम था कि सब एक दूसरे के ब्रेकअप से एक दूसरे को मूव ऑन कराते थे. But after like I think 2 3 months of him breaking up, uh, we started hanging out a lot, and eventually we started dating. तो पता नहीं क्यों I never paid much attention to it, but he was still friends with his ex. And in fact, his ex was the one who initiated that उन लोगों को अब breakup कर लेना चाहिए and they should be friends, and she was good with it. So they were just talking to each other as friends, and I just pretended to be a cool girlfriend. So, wannabe cool girlfriend, I should say. So I didn't say anything, and in fact, I literally didn't have a problem because I think he was kind of like a really nice guy. So I actually didn't have a problem with him talking to his ex because I trust him. And in fact, we decided, not we actually, it was majorly his decision that we shouldn't tell anyone about the relationship initially. तो हमने अपने जो हमारा ग्रुप था फ्रेंड्स का, हमने उनमें भी नहीं बताया किसी को दैट वी आर डेटिंग. We just used to have long chats रात को सोने से पहले, and after school we just used to hang out together and go back home together. Apart from it, I we didn't used to like sit together in class or had do any of that stupid shit चूतियापा में से. उस वो सब हम नहीं करते थे. बट धीरे धीरे आई थिंक 2 3 हफ्ते निकल गए ऐसे, एंड वी डिसाइडेड कि अब शायद वी शुड ओपन अप अबाउट इट. एंड पहले हमने अपने ग्रुप में बताया, सो जो हमारा फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप था, एंड दे वर ऑल लाइक रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट. दे वर लाइक, finally, you guys found the right person and this and that, and 11th क्लास में ये सब चुतियापे हो रहे हैं, बाय द वे. एंड उसके बाद हुआ क्या, धीरे धीरे जो दूसरे सेक्शंस थे जिसमें उसके दोस्त थे, he started telling to those of his friends over there. And like, one person from the people who knew told his ex, or maybe I think one of his ex's friend, that we are dating. And like 2 3 महीना when they were in touch as friends, they were like, that girl was pretty normal about it, about the fact that they are just friends. In fact, she was the one who initiated it, as much as I know. But as soon as she gets to know that he's dating me, she loses her shit. And I remember I was at home, and like I just opened my Instagram. अब तक मैंने Instagram ID भी बना ली थी, and my DMs are like filled with messages of this girl. She had a group of her girlfriends, which were like 4 5 girls. My Instagram is like filled with DMs of this girl, her friends asking me to break up with that guy, this and that. And ये सब होने लगा. But I initially ignored. I just told him about it, and मतलब उसने मुझे बताया that this was the reason I don't didn't want to tell anyone, because I know her, and I knew that she would react like this and she'll make a whole drama about the situation. But I felt like ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही होगा, 2 3 दिन I think she'll just do all these stupid things and shut up after that. uh so what did I do was that I blocked his ex from Instagram. At night, the like a 2 3 days after that, at night I find out that there are 2 3 different messages from different IDs of the same girl. She literally started creating different Instagram IDs to text me and to ask me to break up with the guy that I was dating. And I sort of started feeling very creepy about it. So I just continued to block that ID. Then gradually, all of my friends started getting messages from the same girl that, make these guys break up at any cost. And this guy that I was dating, he was still in touch with her, trying to explain her that how can he not get back with her and how he's too serious about me. एंड ये सब चलता रहा. एंड धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, these guys started becoming really really aggressive. So initially this was the girl who, like, this girl and I think one or two of her friends जिनसे मेरी भी बात होती थी, these guys used to text me normally, बस बोलते हुए कि मतलब I'm not feeling good about this. I think you should end things with him. I don't think so. It's going to work out. ऐसे messages आ रहे थे. But when these guys realized कि हम तो नहीं सुनने वाले हैं, I think they started becoming really aggressive. So I think this was one day where one of our really close friends texted me saying that, are you gonna break up with him or not? I said no. Then he said that if you break up, then you know that your guy will get back with her. And I said, I don't think so. And if it is from his end as well, then you might ask him. If he leaves me, I won't stop him. And this girl started a lot of गाली गलौज in the comments, and she says fuck off, ये वो बहन की लौड़ी, ये सब चल रहा है. और मैं तो जवाब दूंगी ऑब्वियसली, तो मैं भी अपने एंड से उसको गाली देने में लगी हुई हूँ. और हम लोग की ऐसे लड़ाई होती रही. एंड देन आई जस्ट राइट some galis and I block her. And then that girl, the other girl also, like the girl with whom this guy had broken up with, also became really aggressive about it. And all her friends were spamming into me and my friends' DM, becoming this aggressive and doing all these shitty things. And उस टाइम आई थिंक स्कूल जाना मेरे लिए इतना मुश्किल हो गया था, बिकॉज like I used to go home by myself. So when I used to step out, and in case I am not having my friends, and in case my like the guy that I'm dating is not with me, I used to just look around, so that these people are like, मतलब देखती थी मैं इन लोगों को कि ये लोग है तो नहीं, because I didn't want to face them. And I was not able to figure out that why the fuck is she doing all of this, because she was the one who initiated that these guys should be friends. And now she has just become so mad about him as soon as she got to know that I am with him. First of all, I felt that that was a bit fishy, because I felt that I was told that this guy was friends with her. मतलब मुझे लड़के नहीं बताया था that he's friends with his ex. तो मुझे एक बार को डाउट हुआ that maybe these guys were in a relationship, but I didn't give much thought to it. But I still don't know अगर ऐसा कुछ था. But she had like lost her shit. I just know that when I told when she got to know that I'm in a relationship with her. तो ये सब होता रहा. But again, till the end I thought कि गाली गलौज और लड़ाइयाँ और इन सबसे ज़्यादा क्या ही होगा, and I have my friends with me who are gonna protect me. So I didn't like give much thought to it. और मैं complain भी क्या ही करूँ, मैं like टीचर्स को कुछ जाके क्या बोलूँ, आई हैव अ बॉयफ्रेंड एंड हिज एक्स इज ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक अस अप, दो झापड़ लगा के भगाती हूँ वो। तो आई नेवर just considered complain because obviously I'll be the one to be slapped first. So एक दिन क्या हुआ, आई was having my tuition, मेरे ट्यूशन टीचर मुझे पढ़ा रहे थे, एंड आई फील अ सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी हेयर एंड देयर एट माई होम। मैं देख रही हूँ कि मम्मी पापा बार बार अंदर बाहर कर रहे हैं, दे आर गेटिंग कॉल्स एंड समथिंग, एंड मुझे मैंने पहले उसको इग्नोर किया है, थॉट कि ठीक है ऐसे ही हो गया होगा कुछ। बट देन my father was walking in back from the hall, and my like tuition teacher is teaching me, and he gives me this side eye anger wala look as if I have done something. And every girl knows that look from their parents because they know when मतलब कब उनकी गांड लगने वाली है। सो आई सेंस समथिंग कि कुछ तो हुआ है, एंड आई रियली सस्पेक्ट कि जो सब चीज़ें चल रही हैं उसी से रिलेटेड कुछ तो हुआ है। सो आई गो, जब तक मेरी ट्यूशन क्लास खत्म होती है, आई थिंक माई फादर हैड gone to his clinic and my mom is inside, and I go inside and me, my mom and my sister, so like my sister and my mom, they are just like laughing about something and all, and let's call that girl Shifali for this video. ठीक है, तो मैं अंदर जाती हूँ, एंड लाइक जो बाय द वे मैं ट्यूशन पढ़ रही हूँ, एंड देयर वाज दिस रियली क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन जो मेरे साथ ही ट्यूशन पढ़ती थी, एंड उसको पता है सब कुछ कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं। एंड क्या हो गया कि क्या होता है कि माय मॉम ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आस्क्स मी, जब जैसे ही मैं रूम के अंदर जाती हूँ, कि शिफाली कौन है, एंड मैं पूरा प्रिटेंड कर रही हूँ कि मुझे नहीं पता कौन शिफाली। एंड दैट फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन लिटरली सेज, अरे शिफाली जो दूसरे सेक्शन में है वो शिफाली। एंड आई वाज लाइक, हाँ हाँ आई थिंक दूसरे सेक्शन में, मुझे याद नहीं है क्या हुआ। शी सेड दैट तुम्हारी कुछ लड़ाई हुई है उससे, एंड आई एम लाइक नहीं। एंड देन आई एम लूजिंग माई माइंड कि क्या हुआ है एग्जैक्टली। देन आई गॉट टू नो फ्रॉम माई सिस्टर दैट लिटरली, मतलब उसने पहले मुझे अलग जाके बताया हुआ क्या, मैं आपको बाद में बताती हूँ, बट लेट मी गिव यू सम कॉन्टेक्स्ट। तो हमारा जहाँ स्कूल था उसके दूर, थोड़ा सा दूर, एक मोमो वाले भैया रहते थे, मतलब रहते नहीं थे, वो मोमोज लगा देते वहाँ पे, एंड दैट गर्ल यूज टू विजिट दैट प्लेस अ लॉट, and my sister also used to visit that place. So that girl went to my ex, that the same toxic ex जिससे मैंने last story time बनाया है, because that girl knew about it. She first went to that ex, and उस बंदे को ना मैंने, मतलब जब I was being monitored a lot, मैं घर पे जब पता लगा था I was being monitored, तो मुझे जिसका भी फ़ोन मिल जाता था, I used to call him just to talk to him, the ex that I'm talking about. तो उस एक्स के पास मेरे आई थिंक सारे ऑलमोस्ट घर में सबका ही नंबर था, बिकॉज आई हैड ऑलमोस्ट कॉल फ्रॉम एवरी वंस फोन। So that girl walks up to this ex. She starts crying and saying all the shitty things that I want these guys to break up. I'm really in love with this guy. I think we should make Sushmita and this guy break up. And obviously he is my ex, so he is also has those kind of grudges against me. So this ex gives her the number of my father and asks her to call him. एंड दिस गर्ल वेंस टू दैट मोमो वाला भैया, उनसे इसने फ़ोन लिया, और इसने उनके नंबर से कॉल करके मेरे पापा को बोला है दैट, ये भी नहीं बोला कि बॉयफ्रेंड है या कुछ, वो कॉल करके ये बोलती है, सुष्मिता के ना मुझे लगता है फ्रेंड्स ठीक नहीं है, तो आप उसको बोलिए उनसे थोड़ा दूर रहे। एंड वाई माई फादर वॉज एंग्री, बिकॉज ही लिटरली थॉट कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स ठीक नहीं है, तो उनको मुझे बोलना चाहिए कि मैं उनसे दूर रहूँ। He didn't give much thought to it that who might be this girl, why is she saying like this. He just thought that someone is saying that my friends are not right and I should stay away from him. Then the first thought that he had was that who are my friends, that who from whom I should stay the fuck away from. But I think my sister knew this about this entire situation, so she handled it. She just made up some story, and she told that I think someone is just doing a stupid prank because ऐसे कौन बोलता है. So she was the one who found out about the entire thing कि ये हुआ है बैक स्टोरी में. and my sister like loses her mind because she just can't tolerate that someone does something back to me. तो वो आई डोंट नो हाउ, मुझे आज तक ये नहीं पता उसने कैसे किया, बट शी टेक्स आउट समहाउ, पता नहीं किस फ्रेंड को किसको कॉल करके, जो वो उसकी एक्स थी, शिफाली, उसकी मम्मी का नंबर निकलवा लेती है, आई डोंट नो हाउ. And then she literally told my mom that, I think we should be with her because, you know, someone is trying to just trouble her. So she's like, she just told him that let me handle this. So my sister literally called her mom and said that, आप शिफाली की मम्मी बोल रही हैं? She said yes, and she told in the entire thing कि शिफाली ने क्या किया है, मतलब उनके सामने ही pretend करके that she is my mom. And then I got to know that there was a huge collage that happened at Shifali's place, but thankfully not mine because my sister was the one who saved me because she knew about this entire situation. एंड उसके बाद बिग शी फेल्ट लिटरली, मतलब जो इसकी एक्स थी शिफाली, शी लिटरली फेल्ट दैट मेरे घर पे भी कॉल करके, मतलब लाइक कॉलिंग एट माई होम वाज द मोस्ट दैट शी कुड डू. एंड उसके बाद भी शी, जब उसको लगा दैट दैट ऑल्सो डिडंट वर्क आउट, देन शी फाइनली स्टॉप्ड चेजिंग फॉर माई लाइफ, एंड then we continued our relationship peacefully. So, which didn't last, by the way. So yes, I think I don't know if this was too long or not, but this was just an incident. It was not like a ek do saal ka matter which I could narrate. So I don't know if this was entertaining enough, but I just wanted to make another story time because story times पे मेरे views थोड़े अच्छे आ रहे थे considering the creator that I am. मुझे अच्छे लग रहे थे. So this is it for today, and let me know if I should make story times, and comment down your thoughts about what you think about this one. Thank you for watching.